Hello, today's my first video. I'm actually cutting a aluminum railing post. This actually happens to be a Williams post from Menards, but I would assume that most are the same. This is a 3x3 post. I am using a DeWalt 12-inch 80 teeth carbide blade. Fine finish. So I looked online, there were not a whole lot of videos on what kind of blade to use. So I thought I would make one. So I'll show you to cut this. Just go nice and slow. And it seems to work fine. I'll bear with my tripod here. Definitely want safety glasses and ear protection. Here we go. Okay, so there is the finished cut. Very clean. Turned out very well. I got these online on Craigslist used, so I had to shorten them. That's the reason I'm cutting them, but this will work for the railings also. So again, it's just a 12-inch. This is a 12-inch saw, but it's an 80 tooth carbide fine blade. And thank you.